Number 24, lot S152, is a 1972 Chevrolet Corvette Coupe with a 454 cubic inch V8 engine and an automatic transmission. And it's sold for $29,700 on Saturday, June 6th. And I'll read from the Mecum website. Odometer reads 3,167 miles. And the highlights are matching numbers, 454 cubic inch LS5 V8 engine, automatic transmission, war bonnet yellow exterior, saddle leather interior, air conditioning, power steering, and power brakes. And this one was no reserve. And I feel it's one of the best buys of the auction, if not the best buy of the auction. Because for $27,000 plus buyer's premium of $2,700, $29,700 total. You got the last year for the chrome bumper Corvette in war bonnet yellow, which is almost a pearl color, kind of a candy colored paint, which is a great looking color on the car. Plus you got leather interior, and you have an automatic transmission, which you can replace with a 4-speed, 5 or 6-speed, whatever you want, if you want to. But I think it was a great buy with an LS5. Last year for the LS5, and the LS5 still had 450 foot-pounds of torque, even though it was rated at 270 net horsepower. The torque is what gets you going. The horsepower just keeps you moving. So it had plenty of power, that's for sure. And like I said, this was I feel this was the buy of the auction. A great buy on the car. Thanks again for watching. I appreciate it. And by the way, here's a couple of videos of the 700 plus videos that I have on my channel, Car Finder. This will take you over to my page, and you can take a look at any of the videos that are there that look good to you. But thanks again for watching, and we'll see you on the next one.